How to remove Tesla Model 3 Highland pillar molding slash trim. This guy right here, that goes all the way along. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to remove that right now. To remove this molding, you're going to start by pulling back this weather stripping and just pull that back. There's a clip over here, so take your plastic pry tool and get in there. And remove that clip. It's just one of these guys that you want to get into there with. So remove that, and then you're just going to walk along and just pull this down. Just like that. So now that this is hanging there, now you're going to also have to do the same thing with the back. You're going to have to pull this down and out. Now don't pull too hard because it is attached, or it is stuck in over here. So you just want to pull it away and down. Now you got 1, 2, and 3 Torx right there. And now just grab your T20 Torx, whether it's on an impact or screwdriver like this, and just remove those. Set them aside carefully. So that's 2 of them. Now we got these 3 right here. And we're going to remove these 3 Torx. 1, 2, and 3. Here, you want to pull forward. The whole thing pops right off. So it slides into here. Make sure when you're putting it back in, you slide it into here. And just like that, you got your A pillar slash full pillar trim removed, which really only took a few minutes to remove. And you can save yourself so much time and headache by not having to deal with the dirt, the debris, or having to try to tuck and wrap in there. Now you can just wrap inside there and put this guy back over top. Make sure you're careful when you're putting it back so you're not damaging your wrap, but it just saves you a lot of time.